your paycheck gone before you even see it hit your bank account? Because oh my goodness, 8 freaking months ago, that's exactly how my husband and I were living. We had one stream of income, his income, because I was a stay-at-home mom with no income. And before his paycheck hit our account, it was like bills were already getting taken out, so we maybe had $200 left over after his paycheck, and then we had to wait another 2 weeks just to do it all over again. It was a stressful time, and this was when we realized that we had to make a change, and that change was me going to a 9 to 5 and putting our daughter in daycare. I really didn't want to do that though, so I decided to take an opportunity to learn how to make money online. But I was a complete beginner. I didn't know anything about selling products. I didn't know anything about digital marketing, but I purchased a program that taught me everything I needed to know. I got 100% resale rights to it, and I also learned how to start promoting online, sharing my story, and attracting people to me. Because I was able to start by reselling the programs, I was able to bring in income very quickly. And then I also learned within the program how to create my own ebooks, how to do affiliate marketing, and many opportunities just kept coming my way. I'm telling you, if you're someone who is tired of living paycheck to paycheck, literally not even having a chance to look at the paycheck hit your account because your bills are already being taken out of it, I want to help you make money online. From one stay-at-home mama to maybe another, or just to anybody who is struggling financially, I would love to teach you how to make money online. So if you want to learn more, just comment me down below.